Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, March 15th. Looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and NQ. So, just a reminder, SPY went ex-dividend last night. So, look at the way ES is trading, right? ES is trading above value, above the afternoon rally high for now, okay? But then you go to SPY. SPY is trading $1.60 lower, because that's what the dividend was. So here's the afternoon rally high. They're below that. They're below now their point of control. So again, that's going to have a disconnect on the profile for SPY and ES for a bunch of days. Just keep that in mind. Same's going to be with triple Qs and IWM against their futures. Have a B shape. We had a B shape early. Okay, we're 14 wide, not far from our POC from yesterday and our volume POC. So it looks like a level that traders might want to test again. And guess where that level is? Basically right near the previous, not yesterday's low, but the previous day's inside day low. Even though the inside day down you can call was quote-unquote successful, you made money below it by shorting it. Had a lot of trouble, really, right? We went back and forth through it most of the day. So did NQ. Well, again, in the overnight, we spent a lot of time going back and forth through it. Now we're trying to get above it. We'll see if they're going to stay above it. Again, at some point, you're going to have to get through this whole mess up here, right? We're in balance on the daily. You don't want to keep failing at the balance high because eventually you're certainly going to go test that balance low if that happens. I thought they had a decent chance maybe to get going and do it yesterday, coming out of the inside day. Once again, sellers got cut off. But continued failure up there still leads me to believe that it could happen. So we'll see what happens this morning. NQ further away from their balance high. Okay. Right now they're trading right around yesterday's point of control where ES is above theirs for now. And certainly further below where their afternoon rally high is. Their overnight high didn't get to it. ES has been above theirs. In balance, in value, worse of the risk reward. You might be waiting for more market generated information. Righty, down on the daily now. So they have to take out yesterday's high to come back into some semblance of order and put the daily back into balance. So we'll see if they're going to be able to attain that this morning. Game plan, again, depending on where the overnight high and low is, you'll be shorting against the overnight high with higher overlap and a higher value possibly if that was to be the case. But still, they've been good risk rewards. And again, if you do get that and then pull back, then again, I would not mind taking a long against both the wide overnight POC and yesterday's POC against the overnight low if you got the overnight high already. The overnight low is poor right now. So is the overnight high at this moment. So it's not a big overnight again. It's only 22 handles. So you have to keep that in mind. But once you get one of them, a lot more confidence fading the other one, at least the first time. We'll be recapping all of these charts tonight, okay? And then on the chart, I'm just going to show you the daily. So here we are. We're in a 6-day balance. Right, we were 5-day balance coming into yesterday, came out of an inside day to the downside, thought maybe we had a chance to go and get really going. They failed. Let's see if the bulls attempt again to take out the balance high. By the way, yesterday's volume was like the 4th or 5th heaviest of the year. And today is also an expiration. Now, I will trade it like a regular trading day, okay? But the last half hour, as weird or wild as it can get on a normal day, could be even bigger volume and fluctuations. So please keep that in mind. Good luck trading today. Thank you for liking and subscribing to this channel. And we'll recap the day and the week at 4 p.m.